Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning, dear students. In this section, you are going to learn about a snake chamber story, Environmental Studies, CBSE, Class 5. Hello, children. I am Aryanth and I can do something special which I am sure none of you can do. Do you know what I can play the bean? Yes, you must be surprised. Yes, I can make snakes dance by playing the bean. I have learnt this art from my family members. We people are also known as Kalbiyals. My grandfather Roshandranath ji was famous amongst of our people. He could easily catch many poisonous snakes. He tells me many stories about his past. Come listen to his story in his own words. Dadaji remembers from the time of my grandfather and the great grandfather, we have always been saparias means snake chambers. Let us discuss about the snake charming. Snake charming is the practice of a snake by playing an instrument called pungi or bansuri. A typical performance may also include handling the snakes or performing the other seemingly dangerous act as well as the other street performance staples like jungling and sleight of hand. The charming has nothing to do with the music and everything to do with the charmer waving a pungi, a red instrumental curved out of the gourd in the snake's face. Snakes do not have external ears and they can perceive little more than low frequency rumbles. But when they see something threatening, they rise up in a defense pose. The movement of the snake is completely keyed in on the guy playing the toodle thing, says Robert Davis. He is the chairman of the Department of Herpetology. The study of herpetology means the study of amphibians and reptiles at California Academy of Sciences in San Francisco. Now let us discuss about the snakes. Snakes are elongated, legless carnivorous reptiles. Snakes can be distinguished from legless lizards by their lack of eyelids and external ears. There are more than 3,000 species of snakes in the world and there are at least one type of snake on every continent except Antarctica. There are many different species and there are snakes of many different sizes also. The world's smallest snake according to National Geography is thread snake which grows to only about 3.9 inches means 10 centimeters long. It looks much like an earthworm. The largest snake in the world, the reticulate python, can grow to up to 30 feet means 9 meters. The largest snake fossil ever discovered is called the Tinabo. This creature lives 60 million years ago and would have been 50 feet means 15 meters long. Snake eggs and snake babies. It is a common microconception that snake build its nests for their eggs. Only one piece of snake, that is king cobra, will build a nest for its young ones. Not all the snakes lay eggs, but 70% of snakes lay eggs. These types of snakes are called as oviparous. The other 30% of snakes directly give birth to the live young ones, which like mammals. This is because some climates are too cold for eggs to develop and hatch, so snakes living in colder climates do not lay eggs. Now let us discuss what do snakes eat. Snakes are carnivorous. This means that they only eat meat. Snakes are often seen as pets but they actually can help keep pets at bay by eating rodents. Many people think that all snakes kill their prey by biting it and injecting the prey with poison. This is not true. Cobras, vipers, and other related species are only snakes that they use venom to hunt. Most snakes simply swallow the prey whole. Large snakes such as python will strangle their prey to death and then swallow it whole. Snakes can eat other animals up to 70 to 100% bigger than their own size. According to Tunangonia geography, they have been known to eat animals such as crocodiles and cows. To fit the large prey into their mouth, the snake's jaws will unhinge. Once the animal is inside, the snake body releases enzymes to break the food down into unseizable energy. Snakes do not need to eat as often as the other animals because they have a very slow metabolism rate. King cobras, for example, they can live for months without the food. Sometimes, through eating a live animal can result in disaster. Snakes have been known to explode after eating to a living animal, though it is not known why. Now let us discuss about where do snakes live. Snakes live in almost every corner of the world. They are found in forests, deserts, swamps and grasslands. Many call underground burrows or the spaces under rocks and homes. Some snakes live the cottonmouth water moccassin of North America, live in water path of the time. Though they are all found all over the world, snakes however, like the cold places, they are cold-blooded or ectothermic. This means that they don't have the means to regulate their body temperature like warm-blooded creatures, since their body do not use energy to create heat to warm them. So when it is cold, many snakes hibernate in tunnels and underground. Now, Aryanth is sharing his feelings like this. Snakes have become an important part of our lives because we used to move from one place to another place, means from one village to another village, carrying our snakes in bamboo baskets. Whenever we stopped in a village, a crowd would gather around us. We would then take out our snakes from our baskets. Even after the show, people would stay on. They knew that in our inbox there were many types of medicines from them. We made these medicines from plants collected from the forest. I had learnt all this from my grandfather. I felt nice that I could help people with many medicines even if doctors and hospitals were so far off. In return, many people would give us money for food grains. In this way, we could manage our lives. Sometimes I was called to the places where someone had been bitten by a snake. From that marks of the bite, I tried to find out which snake has been bitten the person. I would then give a medicine for that, but I have not always been on the time to help. As you know, some snakes bites can even cause us death on the spot. But most of the snakes are not poisonous. Sometimes when some farmers could come running for helping, shouting, "Snake, snake," I could catch the snake. When I grew older, my father taught me how to remove their poisonous teeth, means fangs. He also taught me how to close the tube of poisonous in the snake's mouth. Grandfather is sharing his feelings to Aryanth. Aryanth, your father used to travel with me ever since he was a young child. He learned to play the bean without being taught. These days it is very difficult. Now the government has made a law that no one can catch wild animals and keep them. Some people kill the animals and sell their skin at high prices. So they made a law against this. Now, with this law, how will we earn our livelihood? So we people have never killed snakes and sold their skin. People say that we keep the snakes in bad conditions. If we wanted, we too could have earned a lot of money by killing snakes, but we would never do that. Snakes are our true treasures that we pass on from one generation to another generation. We even gift snakes to our daughters when they get married. In our Kaliba dance, we also have movements similar to the dance of the snake. Aryanth, you will have to make a different life of yourself. You have got your father's gift to play the bean, you and your cousins, and from a bean party and certain people. But do not waste this knowledge about the snakes you have got from your elders. Share your knowledge about the snakes with children who live in towns and cities. Tell them that they should not be scared of snakes. Help them to recognize poisonous snakes. Grandfather is telling to Aryan that tell them snakes how friends to the farmers. They ate the rats in the field. Otherwise, rats could eat the crops. How you tell your story. Also, make a new story of your life to tell your grandchildren. So now let us discuss about the musical instruments. The musical instruments used in bean party are bean, tamba, kanjare and dole. Except dole, all the other three instruments are made from dried gourd. Do you know, children, many kinds of snakes found in our country and only 4 types of snakes were poisonous. There are cobra, viper, sarscale, etc. A snake has 2 hollow teeth fangs. When it bites, the poison enters the person's body through the fangs. There is a medicine for snake bites. The medicine is made from the snake's poison and cobra is available in all the government hospitals. Thank you.